Hello everybody. So I've got a little bit of color left over here, and I'm just going to put everything into one cup and then do a pour on here. So all the colors, we've got green, pink, crimson, purple, hot pink, and black. Oh, and brilliant blue. So if you go to some of my videos right before here, you can see what the exact colors are. I think there's one video, something to do with hearts, flying hearts or something like that, rising hearts or something. I'm not sure what my title yet, that's why I don't know exactly what I called it. But that will have in the description, at the beginning of that video, I say all the colors, exactly what they are and what we're using. So, I'm just going to mix them up a little bit more and get them all into this one cup. And as you can see, I'm not being super clean about it. I'll stir a little bit so it's not too lumpy. Can you see that? I hope you guys can still see what I'm doing on there. If I rewatch the video and I can't see it at all, then I will just fast forward to this part. But if you're watching me talk, then I'm assuming you can see it. Okay, put the rest of this purple in there. Is that everything? I think it is. I'm gonna put a little bit of white in there too. This is all roughly, oh man, I just pulled the cap off. I pulled the little cap off. This is roughly half Floetrol and half paint. Some people, I've seen some people who actually get out scales and actually measure the stuff. I'm not going to be that exact. I don't think I'll ever be getting that exact. I just eyeball it and see what happens. And so far so good. We've had a lot of cool stuff come out. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Definitely appreciate a like and a sub. But I'm glad you're here either way. Alright, let's put a little bit of black on top. Right in the top there, good. We're going to spray a little bit of silicone on the top. There's already silicone in all, except for the black and the white, but all the other colors already had it intermixed in there, so I just like to spray a little on top and let it sit there for a second. So while it is sitting there real quick, let me wipe off my sticks, because as I say in most of my videos, there's no need to throw them away. You just reuse them over and over and over. There's certain projects where you may want a clean stick if you're swiping and doing stuff, swiping the stick through and you gotta, or you want to mix them and don't want the colors to bleed in. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The point is most of the things you can just wipe them off, let them dry, and you're good to go. So I've got this one last stick I'm going to use here, and I'm going to go in and let me see if you can see that. So let me try to get in the light. There you go. So you can see how all the colors are sort of mixed. But what I like to do, or what a lot of people do, is kind of give it a little bit of just a couple, just to make sure they intermix with each other inside too. Okay. And also, once I put all the sticks back in there, give them a nice shake, because sometimes they'll kind of stick together a little bit. And we try to clean all of our tools when we're done. Oh, of course the heater turns on right now. Sorry if you can hear that. It's gonna get real loud in a second, so I think I'll just be quiet and we'll do our pour and we will see what happens. Usually I do the flip. Usually I'll put it on there and flip over the whole thing. I'm just gonna pour this one all over the place and see what happens. Okay, we're done, bye. Just kidding. So now we're going to start mixing. Oh man, I hope I got enough paint on here to do this whole thing. Oh yeah, heater's at full bore, so you're definitely gonna hear that heater in the background. Once summertime comes, you know, the air conditioners are outside, so when those come on you won't hear them, but the heaters are inside, so it's still cold. What I'm trying to do is really save that middle before I start going to the outer edges, because you know, it starts just falling off completely once you get to the edges. So I really want to try to keep it as long as I can in the center. So far, I'm liking the way this is coming out, but I know it always changes so much by the time you get to the end there. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it on the camera, but I can't always do that. I gotta sometimes turn it a little different way here. Okay, I think it's time to go for it. We're gonna go for this corner over here. Come on, no, this way, there we go. Nope, come on, you're going too quick over there. And you know, I'm gonna keep my finger here because I don't want to lose paint right there. Just gonna have to do it. Bite the bullet, as they say. Who's they? They are the people across America, sitting in newsrooms, waiting to come up with more sayings to say they for. That is an old show, a reference from an old show called Not Necessarily the News. Any old time remember that one on HBO. But you know, people say, oh, that's what they say. He said, who? And they go, they, like it's some organization. And also the next thing is all these people in an office just sitting there working away on different things for us to say they to. It's pretty darn funny. All right, so we got a lot up there. I just want to get it to go down here a little more. Wow, this one is going to look crazy. You guys can see it still too. Yeah, I should add a little more paint. You can tell it's taking a little while to get all the way down there. See if I can get this last little bit over here. There we go. Wow, this one's coming out pretty crazy. I'm liking it. These colors are amazing. Do I have enough paint to get this last edge? Sorry, I got it really tilted the opposite. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm doing there a little bit. It's hard to get it for the camera and then still be able to see it myself. But come on, paint. Work your way down there. It's going. Slowly but surely, it's going. Oh, shoot. Probably could have put a little bit on there too. Maybe I'll put a little on there like that and help it work its way over a little bit. I wonder if I can just kind of shoot, no, I gotta keep it this way. I don't like the way it looks. Keep going. Trying to get this last little part with my finger to cover it all the way there so it's even. While it's dripping my finger, I'm hitting up the white sides, the white on the side too there. Get it all the way over there. Almost all the way. All right, that looks pretty good. So now let's just get this last corner over here. Go back there a little bit. There is not much paint over there. I may just have to touch up with my finger a little bit. Well, I'm liking the way that little part looks, the way it's dripping there. That's okay. that might have to be good. And I might just have to help it along a little bit there. Yeah. Oh. So we got a bit more blue over here. More blue. A little black. Blue on black. Who sings that, you guys? Who sings Blue on Black? Kenny Wayne Shepherd. Alright. Got all the sides covered there. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm really happy this one. This one came out looking really cool. There's a little bit of canvas left right there. There we go. Yeah. That one came out looking awesome. Look at all the colors there. That is really pretty. Got some sellage right there. Yeah, I'm really happy with this one, you guys. I like it. Really pretty. Let's see if I can clean my hands off and I'll see if I can get you a little bit of a closer shot there. Well, you know what? I'll just take some pictures of it and then show you the pictures. Okay? So, because now that I got this, we got this boom mic here, so you can get a better shot of what we're doing. But it's hard to take the camera on and off. So, I will just take some pictures as soon as I get dried up here, and put them at the end of the video so you can see some close-ups. Thanks for watching me on this other one. You know what? I'm tired. It's late. I'm not even speaking correctly here, so I'm just gonna go. Love you guys. Sub, like, all that good stuff. Share. You know what we always say. We'll see you on the next one.